Imagine this, you're 28, grinding through a 9 to 5 that barely covers rent, friends post vacations you can't afford, and deep down, you wonder, what if? What if you had started sooner? That regret, it's not just a feeling, it's a thief, stealing your future, one missed opportunity at a time.
I'm gonna change the world!
Still stuck in this rut. My portfolio just doubled.
If you're 20 to 35 and not investing, this could be you. But here's the twist. It's not too late. Stick around. By the end, you'll see 3 simple shifts that can turn your spare change into a fortune. Here's the brutal truth. Your brain is wired for survival, not wealth. I'll invest later. That's procrastination bias. Stocks dip. Fear screams danger. That's loss aversion. Meanwhile, inflation quietly eats your savings. $10,000 in a bank today could lose 20% of its power in a decade.
Bank savings are shrinking steadily over time, while investments are growing robustly. The power of investing.
Your brain is tricking you into safety, but it's chaining you to mediocrity. Enough doom. Let's flip the script. Shift 1. Micro start. Start small. $5 per week in an index fund. $5 weekly at 7% for 30 years, over $30,000. Have it greater than some. Shift 2. Education armor. 10 minutes per day learning, free courses, financial blogs. Knowledge kills doubt. Markets recover. You'll see it. Shift 3. Autopilot. Automate transfers to Roth. Plant a tree once. Watch it grow. No effort. These aren't get-rich-quick hacks. They're quiet revolutions. Close your eyes. You're not just a dreamer. You're an investor, a builder of empires. Every dollar planted today elevates you from survivor to architect of your destiny. 10 years from now, you'll either say, I'm so glad I started, or, I wish someone told me sooner. This is that moment. What will your future thank you for? The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Question of the day. What's one fear that stopped you from investing? Drop it in the comments. Hit like if this sparked something. Subscribe for more life upgrades. And remember, your wealth starts today.